Narrow shirt drafting and cutting. 1 inch shoulder slope, shoulder line, back neckline. Here I make armhole position 1/4 chest 9 inch. Here I make waist position 60 inch and 35 inch length, 1 inch margin, 9 inch armhole deep, 16 inch waist position, 35 inch length, 1 inch margin. One-fourth chest 9 inch, 2 inch plus, 1/4 waist 8.5 inch, 2 inch plus, 1/4 hip 9.5 inch, 2 cm plus, narrow shirt back part drawing finish. Here I cut narrow shirt back part. Narrow shirt back part cutting finish. Now here cut front part same as the back. Narrow shirt front part cutting same as the back part. Back part one 3/4 front shoulder slope. Here I make neck width 3 inch same as the back, 3.5 inch front neck deep, front shoulder line, front neck line, front part cutting same as a back body. Seven and a half inch center front placket length, first button, second button, narrow shirt back and front cutting finish. The front part, back part. Now here I make slip for narrow shirt. Here I make slip for narrow shirt, a square line with fold, slip center and slip headline. Here I make slip length 22.5 inch, sleeve length 22.5 inch. Eight and half inch armhole, back armhole length, 8.5, half 4.25 inch, sleeve cap height, sleeve headline, sleeve cap height, sleeve cup opening line, 8.5 inch sleeve, back armhole length. Here I measure 8.5 inch, cup opening 11 inch, half 5.5 inch, Nehru Shirt Slit, 8.5 middle, 4.25 inch, back armhole 9.5 inch. Here I am measuring sleeve armhole 9.5 inch. 1 inch seam margin. Here I leave half inch seam margin for sleeve joining. Here I cut 1 inch flush at under sleeve line. Here I cut 3/8 cm. Narrow shirt front part, narrow shirt back part, narrow shirt sleeve. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on my video.